Brody, did Santa give you everything you wanted for Christmas?
I want that one.
What is that?
Yeah.
Brody, did you get everything you wanted for Santa for Christmas?
Yeah.
You did? You're not missing anything?
What did you ask Santa for?
I'm missing on the fireplace.
Who do you think that's for?
Me.
What do you think that is?
Emmy.
What do you think is in the fireplace?
Oh, why?
Did Santa drop something in the fireplace?
What did you ask for from Santa? Remember what you asked Santa?
A dump truck right there.
You think that's it?
Truck? Should I pull it out? Have you open it? Alright.
Brody, look!
Uh-oh. What is this?
Whoa, Bud, is that what you wanted?
Is that what you wanted?
Can we open it?
Sure, yeah, we can open it.
What do you tell Santa?
Thank you. Thank you, Santa. Thank you, Santa. He's not talking.
Well, I think because Santa went back to the North Pole with his elves.
Just say thanks, Santa.
Now we went to go to the North Pole. I got another truck.
Who's that from?
Daddy.
No, I thought that one was from Emmy.
Dad.
Is that from Sissy?
Yeah.
Why don't you give Sissy a kiss and tell her thank you? Okay, now turn around and look at Mom and say, Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Look at